Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today we have a package from Dalp Dark Arts Lockpicking. Something in here I ordered and some little extras that Dalp and their partner Blaze have chucked in. So let's get it on. One of these is something I've been wanting for a long time, and then the other thing is a new product from Dalp that I'm going to be testing. Wow, okay. This is, oh my, I just noticed it. Oh wow. Look at this piece of gorgeousness. Wow, thank you so much, Blaze. That is absolutely gorgeous. When I can remember what crystal it is, I'll put it in the description. Isn't that beautiful? That is stunning. That is massive. Thank you so much. That is awesome. And this is a bonus. The Doughnut. These are the fluoro ones. You can hang around your neck, keep in your pocket. Bring out, get them lit up before you head on out into the dark. Charge them up with some light. And you've always got a bit of light to be able to see where you're going. That is so cool. I'll put in the description below what this is actually called so you can source it yourself. They come in different sizes, I think. This is very cool. Thank you very much, James. That is awesome. Awesome. This is what I've ordered. This is the bracelet that you can slip latches with. This is the Viking bracelet. So, because it's huge, it's bendy, you see. So I got a plain one because I'm going to be covering part of mine. So Dalp has some in where you've got this section here covered in some vinyl. So I'm going to cover my section here in some leather because I can't do vinyl on my skin. So Dalp kindly made me one for myself. Well, this is smooth as. There is no sharp nasties here. Dalp does fabulous work. Very conscientious worker. Look at this beautiful, beautiful bracelet. I haven't had a bracelet since my last leather bracelet broke, so I've been feeling a little bit naked. So this is a Slim Jim, a slip latch contraption, so you can work it that way or you can work it that way or up the other way. It's very versatile. Left, right hands on the door. You can, yeah, that is awesome. So you can also get with designs and stuff, but I can't do busy stuff, so I just got mine plain. So that's really cool. So where I put the leather will be where you hold it to sort of pull it. That is awesome. And this is the new Tinker Bracelet. So this is for EDC. This is what's going to get you out of a vehicle or a glassed-in situation, like you're behind a window and you can't get out. So in the case of perhaps a fire, got a little skull, isn't it cute? That's gorgeous. Look at that. Very nice. And then this is an armor type like metal. It's extremely strong. So what you do is you get it like so, ready to flick, and you flick it onto the glass and it will snap. So I'll be doing a in a car demonstration of how to break out of a car using the Tinker Bracelet very shortly. So thank you very much for chucking that in for me to have a play with, Dalp. That's awesome. Very nice, Dalp. And what's this? Oh, how cool is that? Dalp has, oh, that is super, super cool. Let's try and get a view of that. Dalp has gotten a Dalp stamp. Dark Arts lockpicking stamp. How cool is that? Oh, that's very cool. Very, very cool. That's an LF8. This is a filing cabinet master key. Very nice. Thank you very much for putting that in. That is an awesome bunch of goodies. So I ordered this and got all of this, and this is a bookmark. It looks like it. Did you 3D print this, or is this a resin thing? Look at that. What a cool logo. Keep it bloody legal. Non-destructive entry. Isn't that just cool as? Oh, I like that. That's going to go up on my board. Wow. It's just going to be a bookmark, and be anything. Just pretty solid. Non-destructive entry. That's what we like. We don't want to hurt things. We just want to get into them. Wow. This is an awesome package. Thank you very much. Wow, Blaze. That is very cool. And keep it bloody legal. Non-destructive entry. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is about non-destructive entry. This is about being able to see when you do it. This is about gaining entry non-destructively. And this one is your destructive exit if you need it in an emergency. As Dalp says, the best EDC gear you have, emergency gear on you, is the one that you have on you. If you don't have it on you at the time, then it is no use to you. So that's why this is going on like that, and this is going on like that. So I'll have 2 EDC bracelets that can get me in or out of a pinch. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere. Thanks, Dalp. Thanks, Blaze.